Welcome to another brand video, guys. Today video is very important because we are going to do a technical analyze, and absolutely I will give you the next price target. But remember, if you are unlimited signal want, definitely join my Telegram group. You will get unlimited signal every day free of cost, so link is in the description. Guys, BTC price was bit a huge pump, and of course remember it was returned now from 31,250. Absolutely, if it will be create a new support, my brothers, and 31,250, then of course my brothers, BTC will be pumps up to 34k. Okay guys, but right now it will be returned and can't, my friends, stay here. So that's why, my friends, you can see here we will be see a short crash. Can right now we need, my friends, to take a long position or not, my brothers? Definitely we will be long, my brothers, from 30,800, and of course my brother, if you long it, I hope you will be get a crazy profit. The target was, my brother, again 31,250. Okay guys, I hope it will be reached to this position, and absolutely after breakout I will call you again. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel and join Telegram group.